Aloe vera is a popular and versatile natural ingredient known for its numerous benefits for the skin. Here are some of the key advantages of using aloe vera for skincare. Moisturization. Aloe vera gel is highly moisturizing and helps keep the skin hydrated without making it greasy. It's suitable for all skin types. Sunburn relief. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, making it an excellent choice for relieving sunburned skin. It can reduce redness, inflammation, and provide a cooling sensation. Acne treatment. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help reduce acne breakouts. It can also minimize the appearance of acne scars. Treats dry skin. Aloe vera can be used to alleviate dry and flaky skin by providing deep hydration and locking in moisture. Anti-aging benefits. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. This can slow down the aging process and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Natural exfoliation. Aloe vera contains enzymes that can gently remove dead skin cells, leaving the skin smoother and more radiant. Skin brightening. Regular use of aloe vera can help improve the skin's overall texture and tone, giving it a brighter and healthier appearance. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us.